Animateka is an international animated film festival that will happen in Ljubljana for the 13th time from 5th to 11th December at Kinodvor, Slovenian Cinematheque and the old electric power plant. We have a special retrospective this year, which is the history of the development of the artistic 3D computer animated film. We have many feature films, 9 feature films to present this year. We are adding a new platform. It's called Animateka Pro. It's a platform for animation film professionals where all the discussion, roundtables, master classes will be held. Animateka is a special festival. It's a big, small festival. We are having almost 120 international guests. They are directors, animators, producers, distributors, and the funny thing and the nice thing is that we all meet together. There is no red carpet, there is no VIP zones. We are all together like a big family during this festival week. You are all welcome and invited from my heart to the 13th edition of the Animateka International Animated Film Festival. If you cannot make it for the festival, be with us through our webpage and follow us on our video library posts.